Faster! Coffee! Pour you another cup. It's 200 bells. Ah, please do. Sure. I brewed this cup especially for you. Drink up. Cool. That's way too hot. It's still too hot. It's still too hot. I get the sense that you like coffee on the lukewarm side. I sure do. You don't say. How about that coffee, Wilbur? Yeah, I'll tell you what, this coffee cup, I've been drinking all these cups of coffee for like 10 hours today. Man, why'd you keep me in here for 10 hours? Oh yeah, that cup right there. Okay, coffee time. Ah. Oh wow. The depth of flavor expands at this color temperature. Ah, what happened to Ben Darton's eye? I got stung by wasps, and then stuff happened. I was gonna do stuff today, but then I had to go to Brewster's place today. That was like 10 hours ago. But don't question it. Hey, at least we got late night cup of coffee. Just be careful. Too much coffee can mess with you. You don't say. Hi, Wilbur. Oh, hello, Rose and Poison. Don't mind me. I've not been drinking cups of coffee all day. What you talking about? I may have been drinking cups of coffee all day. Big flight tomorrow, you know. And planes need fuel to fly, and I need fuel to fly them. That's basically the only reason I ever land. But you can't fly. You're a flightless bird. Says who? Says physics. Ah. Yeah, eye opener. Take a gander at the island from the air right now. Oh yeah, man. Those spring colors will put some squawk in your walk for show. For show. Do you believe this, Brewster? Do you ever believe this? Ugh, give me another cup of coffee. Ah, let me in there. Ah! Looks like you want more coffee, do you? What are you trying to achieve? I want that secret dialogue, but we can't get it, but next time we'll try it again next time. It's tomorrow. It's fine with me. Give me more coffee. Ow! All I asked was this pigeon milk. I said no! Sure. Who even drinks pigeon milk anyways? That sounds absolutely disgusting. Man, I don't know what you're talking about, man. This stuff's good. Ew, Wilbur, ew. I brought this cup especially for you. Drink up. Cool. I'll do just that. Yeah. By the way, why is Team Sonic the only one making this recording? Oh, I don't feel like bugging anybody else because my wife, she has a headache tonight and she feels like going to sleep. So yeah, she's going to sleep. Man, sure. Rouge had that last night and yeah, she feels better. That's the stuff. I knew I could count on Brewster to create the perfect blend. Cool. Thank you very much. And also, too much coffee can mess with you. Also, what happened to your eye? I just said I got that we got stung by wasps. They were mean to us. Got anything else to say to us, Wilbur? Considering we're gonna have to go on a plane ride tomorrow. Shades are fogging up in the coffee steam. Can't take them off though. Against regulations? I don't know. Why do we start like shortening our words, man? That's dumb. Anyways, yeah, part of regulations. I gotta keep my glasses on, even though my brother Orville he doesn't wear glasses. He wears a headset. Now Oscar over there, he be making some stuff up when he says that he has to take off his glasses all the time, and he's pilot. Get what I'm saying? Oh yeah. There's nothing to do over here. Oh my lord. We've been here for too long and we're going to get it's 9 o'clock in the night and we're going to bed. Frozen poison. Got a minute? Yes. I got something for you. Think of it as my way of saying thanks. And also, you've been drinking too much cup of coffee. Don't take that outside. I got a coffee plant? Yes, coffee plant. I'll put it in your pockets for you. How the heck can you put it in our pockets? We're not even close to your counter. Aw, he's generous. Thank you so much. Okay, good boy. Good night, Wilbur. Yeah, man. Oh, it's nighttime. Oh, bro, brothers, look, it's nighttime. It's 9:05 at night. My thing is empty. I got some stuff here. I got a coffee plant. I don't know what to do with that. Also, what happened to my face? Don't question it. Good night, Brewster. Not putting it on the bladders. There's gonna be a phone in the movie. Anyways, it's getting a bit noisy out here. Ah, Caroline. I think Blaze is awake. She played as Caroline. Oh yeah, there she is. Oh, you want me to voice someone? Oh yes. Look who's here. How have you been? What is wrong with her eyes? I feel like there was something I've been meaning to tell you, DJ Cranston. What was it? Well, I'm not DJ Cranston, but I know who DJ Cranston is. Oh well, it's gone. Also, did I do good in my role? You did splendidly. Now, pardon us. Gotta go talk to Annalise. Annalise! Where the heck did she go? You headed off to your house because I know you went that way. I know Roscoe's going that way. Hey, Roscoe. Shadow's not here. He doesn't want to be here, so yeah, he's hanging out in his room. It's Sonia and stuff like that. So hi, Roscoe. I mean, I'll voice him. Well, excuse you too, man. Monster. Now hang on. If I squint and stare. Oh yeah, that's just you, Rose of Poison. Who else did you expect it to be? Don't scare an old man like that. Now if I had to guess, you went up and stuck your head up in the watch nest. Oh, is that why you're screaming at us all that time? Oh, thanks, Roscoe. You're so sweet. He's the only one that noticed. It's alright. We've all been there. Well, go on. Get some medicine on that. Fix you right up. Yeah, man. Okay, bye. Also, we haven't gone into Chrissy's house. We gotta go. I think either she's sleeping or she's awake. We didn't check her house. We didn't check her lights. She's probably sleeping. At 9 o'clock at night. Phoebe's up, Doc's up, Cranston's up, Chrissy's up. Hi, Chrissy. Chrissy Chrissy is supposed to be played as crib. Say, guys, look, here's Chrissy's house. Oh, yeah, it's so red. Red and pink. I'll go look at crib. Crib! What is it? I was going Tails, what do you want? Can you voice question for us for this moment, time, place, crib? What happened to your face? I don't know. Well, yes, I do. Wasp nest. Ew. Okay, we'll pan the camera this way. Well, that's rude. Oh my gosh, frozen poison. Your face is, fashion disaster. You know, wasp thing, you? Oh, hell, we should get some medicine so it heals faster. Okay, bye. Man, this book is tiring. Anyways, she has a pretty princess-looking bed. She has a picture of her sister, which I think her sister right there probably has a picture of her on her walls now too. We never met her personally, but yeah. Christy, so welcome to the island. I hope you're gonna enjoy your plays in the movie, cause we'll be getting to your scenes like maybe tomorrow. I don't know yet. That guy, we already died for sea creatures this morning. What the heck? Wanted to frickin' chop the trees and other stuff like that. Like, what the heck? Good night, Chrissy. See you in the movie. Haha! Welcome to my house. You're no staff member. Who are you? Oh yeah, hi, I'm Ben Darton. Sonic's played this character. Yeah, I'm Ben Darton. You okay over there? We don't mean to like interrupt your business, Doc. But yeah, Doc's house looks like this. He doesn't have a bed, sadly enough. I think we gave him one. He never put it down. Sad. But his room is like, well, his house is more like a professor's office. It's nice, isn't it, Doc? Pardon the looks. How you doing, Doc? Wow, yikes. Your face is looking rough. Did the wasp get ya? Man, wasps are nice guys, but you can't be getting up in the business, staff member. I'm not a staff member, but thanks for your consideration. Get it? You're so considerate. Also, we gave him this fish. I don't remember what this fish is, but whatever. What, reading a novel? It's cool, man. Oh, I think he's reading that one book that we wrote up. It's a good book, but it's never published. Oh, I'm sorry. Are we bugging you? Haha. What are you still doing in my house? Excuse us then. We'll just wait right here. Bye, Doc. Do we go in his house just to make a toilet joke, Tails? Possibly yes, but he's the one that went into he's the one that sat on his toilet. He's flattering. Well, he's our little bunny boy. We're trying to find Hopkins. I can't find him. Hi, Cranston. Hi, Cranston. Hey, man. You watching late night TV? I'll turn it on for you. I always watch cooking shows on this TV. One time I saw something so yummy, I tried to lick the screen. Oh. Don't do that. It doesn't taste as good as it looked. What's on the TV today? Oh, love story? Cool, man. Also, why do you have like a flower case in your house? You don't usually tend to flowers, do you? You gonna drink this or what? We'll just stump on your stuff. I wonder what's inside. I'll take a tiny little bag. I see. I guess that makes sense. He has a towel that matches his feathers. He has a Hawaiian shirt. Why the heck you sniffing that for? He told you to eat it, not sniff it. And he also has his DJ Cranston shirt that we gave him. Ah, it's beautiful. Why the heck are you sniffing the drink? You're a funny looking bird, Cranston. Anyways, good night. See you later. Bye-bye. Now it's time for Phoebe. Phoebe is crib as well. Craig! Seriously? Again? Sorry, Cribadoo. But you gotta talk to Phoebe. And look, she's cooking. Smells delicious. Unlike her house. Ah! Hey, Poison, what's up? I feel like I haven't had any FaceTime with you lately. I didn't scare you or anything, right? I know I could be a bit much sometimes. Staff member. Why is everybody using a staff member? It usually is DJ Cranston or staff member. Make up your mind, you guys. You know your face is swollen, right? Was it wasp? I bet it was wasp. I got some medicine if you want it. Just, run faster next time. We can go as fast as this freaking, wasps speed of their own. But thank you for the medicine. Thank you for the medicine. I'm just giving you a hard time. I used to mess with wasp nests as a kid, so that's happened to me a lot. And yet you look really pretty. Eventually, Mom wouldn't let me go outside unless she knew I had some medicine handy. Of all the weird habits for me to hang on to, staff member. We talked to you twice and you didn't even give us the recipe. Like, what the heck? But then again, we'll take the medicine. Thank you, baby. You're the best. Ah, I'm stepping on lava. Phoebe. If you want to hang out, I'll have to wait until I'm done making this tasty mess. Cranston would love that. What you making? Here, what you making? I got hit by a monster-sized craven earlier, so I started making myself some seafood aigilo. If you want to make your own, I've got the recipe right here. I'm kind of not using it, staff member. Here you go. And it looks like you already know it. So, if I don't need it, you don't need it. I'll take it with you and pass it on. You know, way more folks know I do. Plus, I'm really kind of lazy. Staff member. And yet, you got promoted to a chief's desk. What the heck? Stay in the building. And this is what we doing today. Great, we want to voice Isabel. Well, okay. I don't mind voicing Isabel tonight, even though Amy went to bed. Let us in, we got trouble. Car boxes on the way outside. They be stalking your building, man. Yeah, they stalking us outside. They got stuff in here. Like, what the hell? There's so many cardboard boxes in here now. What did you do, Tom Nook? What did you do? What did he not do? That's the question there. Tom Nook! Isabel! Y'all busy? That don't look busy. I'm on my computer. Wait, what you talking? I'm busy enough. I want to speak to the bear. Technically, we are the mayor, Tails. Don't mind me. Just digging. He's digging in the cardboard boxes over there. That's illegal. I'm just dozing off. Last time, Tails. Okay, fine. This is the last one. Tulips. Smell nice. I told Duck what you're looking at. Is that what you're digging for? He's looking at a KK Slider booklet. What the heck? Don't worry, cardboard boxes. We'll save you. I don't mean nothing. Man, that guitar right there, man. I'll tell you what, man. Oh, yeah. Hey, Isabel. Oh, don't spare me. Ew. Hi. What can I do you for? Oh, there, I got it. It smells nice, doesn't it? What the heck are you spraying that thing? Ah, don't spray me. Ew. What's your deal? Well, for starters, we have nothing else to do except say goodbye. Okay, well, this is Cream. I'm just sniffing some tulips. Tom Nook over here, he's freaking looking into a guitar magazine, or whatever this thing is. Look at it. Yeah, Tails is gonna go. I'm gonna go this way. And Sonic is gonna go to bed. Hug my wife, give her a kiss, and then, yeah, I'm going to bed. See you later. Bye-bye.